Take the Peak Tram for a trip. The Peak Tram is more than just a tourism draw. It is a mode of transportation that could be compared to the traditional jeepney in the Philippines. The Peak Tram has been in operation since early in Hong Kong's history, just like our nation's preferred method of transportation. The Peak Tram now provides alternate routes, in addition to taking passengers from the base to the summit, including the Peak Tram Historical Gallery. Learn about HK's past while riding the tram, and Sky Terrace 428, which is located at a height of 428 meters above sea level. Visit the marine life in Ocean Park. Ocean Area is another well-known theme area in Hong Kong. Although this enormous oceanarium and marine mammal park is simple to get lost in, it is best to visit for the Grand Aquarium, the largest viewing dome in a marine aquarium in the world. It's exciting to get a close-up look at creatures of the deep water, like scalloped hammerheads. Hong Kong Disneyland will increase your heart rate. Although Hong Kong Disneyland is known throughout the world for making its tourists happy, there are some undiscovered attractions in the well-known theme park that might sate your need for adrenaline, or your desire for something different for a change. Try the runaway mine cars at Big Grizzly Mountain, and brace yourself for your pulse to halt as you take in the sights while clinging to life due to the bone-chilling drops and abrupt turns. Go on a journey to the shopping areas. Some of the most renowned brands in the annals of, pick any category, clothes, jewelry, watches, and even gadgets are based in Hong Kong. IFC, Pacific Place, Times Square. Yep, Hong Kong has its own Times Square, and Jade Market are popular tourist attractions. Along Temple Street and at Tsim Sha Tsui, you can also find the finest street-side stalls. Eating out in Kowloon, the northern region of Hong Kong. Kowloon is known as the food capital of the world. Come to Kowloon if you arrived in Hong Kong with an insatiable appetite and a wandering foodie spirit. You will find a wide variety of food choices here, including Cantonese, Indian, Pakistani, and food from Knutsford Terrace, Kowloon's party district. Relax and Gongping 360. This aerial lift, which is not only a popular tourist activity of sorts, but also the preferred method of transportation of residents who want to travel to and from Tung Chung Station, allows you to take in the best views. Like Tung Chung Bay and Lotau Island. There is plenty of time to relax, take it easy, and enjoy the scenery during one journey up this gondola, which takes about 25 minutes. Photograph the Hong Kong Clock Tower from all angles. A historical monument, the 44-meter-tall Hong Kong Clock Tower was designated as a declared monument in Hong Kong in 2008. The Kowloon Station, which ran in the early 1900s, has only this one surviving piece to show for it. Check out the Tian Tan Buddha. At the Peak of Gongping, on Lotau Island, there is a huge bronze monument called the Tian Tan Buddha. The fact that this 34-meter-tall Buddha statue was built from more than 200 bronze parts is what makes it so magnificent. The Universe, Benevolent Merit, and Remembrance Halls are located on the 3 levels that the Buddha has beneath it. The statue also purportedly contains the cremated bones of Gautama Buddha. Observing the stars at the Hong Kong Space Museum. Learn about the Big Bang Theory, take millions of light years into space, and experience solar winds while doing so. These are merely a few of the activities available at the Hong Kong Space Museum, which in addition to being a fascinating site, serves as a location for talks and conferences on science held around the world.